On tonight's menu is curry Dungeness crab. So delicious. I love when my dad makes this for our Saturday dinners. Ooh, so hot. It's fogging up my camera.
Rinse 1 green onion and cut it into 1-inch pieces. You will also need to prepare 2 tablespoons of julienned ginger and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. You will need 2 live Dungeness crabs for this recipe. When you're purchasing your crabs, make sure that they're moving around and that they're lively. We purchase our crabs from Chinese supermarkets. Chef Dad says to store them in the fridge for a couple of hours so that they're easier to handle. The most important step is cleaning and prepping the crab for our stir fry. This is perhaps one of the most important steps in prepping and cleaning our crab. You need to remove the bladder sac from the shell of the crab. Place the crab inside a bowl to collect the juice from the crab. You will need this juice when we go to stir fry the crab. Collecting the sauce from your crab and adding that to your stir fry adds so much more sweetness and flavor to your sauce. If you like it spicy, this is a great time to add some diced red chili to your stir fry.
爸爸整个壳會出嚟嗨下啦，整個殼會出嚟嗨下啦，耶！
We like to add a slurry to our stir fry so that the sauce sticks onto the shell of the crab and makes it so much more tasty. It's important to remember not to overcook seafood. Just remember that the shell turns orange when the crab is ready and the meat starts to firm up. This is one of my family's favorite things to eat, and my dad normally prepares this when we gather for Saturday night dinners. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.